Welcome, folks. We are back with another Juniper Mountain Pro Tip. Today we are talking Carlson 2025 again. Have you ever had a mess of points? You're trying to find one individual shot instead of scrolling around and reading point numbers until you happen to stumble across it? Let's talk the command find point. You can access this by typing FPNT into your command line. You can find points by number or description. Let's say you're looking at your field notes and you're looking for point 131 in particular. Hit N for number, type in 131, boom, you know it's right here. You can also access this same command by the inquiry drop down at the top if you prefer that method. Come down, hit find points. Number, let's say we want to find 132. There you go, centers it on the screen. Hope that helps.